Ever feel like your PayPal business account needs a serious identity makeover to juggle different brands or partnerships? This video will break down exactly how to link multiple names to your one PayPal business account, streamlining operations without creating a chaotic mess. First, let's be clear, PayPal doesn't directly allow multiple completely different business names under one account. It's about associating names, not creating completely separate entities. Your primary business name is fixed during the initial setup to add another name you'll be working with. Navigate to your PayPal business account settings, look for the business information section. It usually has your primary business name, business type, and other related information. Within the business information section, find the option to update or edit your business details. Click on that. Look for a field labeled Doing Business, DBA, or something similar. This is where you can add the additional name you want associated with your account. This allows you to receive payments under that secondary name. Enter the additional name you want to use in the Doing Business field. This name will appear on your customer invoices and receipts, letting them know they are transacting with that specific brand even though the payment is processed through your main PayPal account. Remember to save the changes. Important disclaimer: PayPal's policies can change. Always consult PayPal's official documentation or contact their support for the most up-to-date guidelines on managing multiple business names. This will save you any potential headaches down the road.